Okay guys, so now we want to design our text widget a bit more, and we want to place it in the center of the square, and we want to make it beautiful, right? Because this is not presentable at all, and plus this is very small text. So to change a text color, to change its size, there is a another property within the text widget which is called style. Okay, style and text style. By the way guys, these are some basic properties which you would have to remember. There aren't that many properties that you would have to remember or note down somewhere. These are some basic properties, and you will learn them as you build. Okay, so now let's give it a color. You can see that in the style, a widget by the name text style is used, and which has a color. Okay, so now let's give it a color, colors dot white. And you can see that my text is now white. Okay, now what if I want to make it bigger? For that, I will give it font size. Okay, so see the mistake I made. You need to make sure that your properties are being defined within the text style widget. Okay, so let me quickly go inside the text style widget and comma and font size. So here you can see these different properties: font family, font features, font size. So let's give it font size of, let's say 50. Okay, so you can see that the size of the text was increased. Now we are seeing these curvy lines. Now can you guess why are we seeing these curvy blue lines here? The error, I already taught you that this comes because the constant keyword is missing. So let's add the constant keyword, and you can see that those lines went away. Right, now what if I want to place this in the center? To do that, you can just click on your text. Here a little bulb is coming, if you can see, right? Click on that bulb, and you can just go with wrap with center. And this is coming an error because the text widget has another widget called constant. So basically Flutter is a mix of widget trees. Okay, this widget will have another widget in it. So main widget was scaffold, then scaffold had a container, container had a center, center had a text, and this will go on honestly. So sometimes in the beginning it might get a little bit confusing for you guys to understand what is going on and what are the different brackets needed. But this text, you can see that these properties, it is telling that text widget is from here to here, center is from here to here, and this basically helps you understand the brackets a bit more easily and where a particular widget is ending. So don't worry guys, as you practice you will understand it very easily. You can see that after I wrapped it in center widget, it came to center. Okay, I can also wrap container into center, and when I save it, you can see that my container shifted to center. Now what if I want to make it bold? So let's do this last feature of bold font weight, and I will give a font weight dot bold. Okay, and now you can see that our font appeared bold. I know guys that you might be a bit bored, but honestly these are some of the essentials that you need to understand and learn, like the text widget, how the text widget is written, how an app bar is written, the text style, and these you will automatically learn as you code and build more smart apps, more cool apps, and practice more. And I know that this might be a bit boring, but don't worry guys, we will soon be building our simulators. So let's head on to next video, which is the button.